Hello guys, this is Akshay Daga, and in this video I'll talk about plus operation on different data types in Python. So this is the third video in the series. So I'll share my screen and let's start. Here you can see I'll define some variables. I'll take the same variables as I have shown in the last video, right? So these are the 5 variables. I'll print those. I'll show you what are the values. Okay, these are the 5 variables of different data types. Okay, first one is int, then float, then third one is string, fourth one is complex, and fifth one is boolean data type. Okay, now I'll show you how this plus operator will work differently for different data types. As you know, if plus operation can be used for summation in mathematics. So if I do 2 plus 3, it is 5, nothing but summation for an integer value. Similarly, in mathematics, you can add integer and float together. So I'll add a plus, what is the float? B. You can see 1 plus 12.34. These two values are added and the output is shown over here. So you can add int plus float. So cross data type addition is possible. Whenever it is mathematically possible, then it is possible in Python. Okay, now I'll show you. I'll create one more string f. It is a string and the name is Daga, like the value is Daga. It is a string. Now we have two variables, that is C. So variable is AP Daga and F variable is Daga. So now check what if I do C plus F. What it did, it just concatenated the two strings. First one was AP Daga and then the Daga. It is concatenated, right? So if you use plus operation on two strings, it is going to concatenate. Now, what if I do a string that is C, that is AP Daga, it is a string, plus an integer variable that is A. Okay. So A is, the value of A is 1 and it is the integer data type. If I do that, it is throwing an error. Why? Python can only concatenate string with another string, not an integer. Okay. So another type is, you can do the typecasting as we have learned in our previous video. C plus str of A. Here what we are doing, we are converting this integer type data type, integer variable into a string, and then we are concatenating it with C. Right? I'm running this. So the see AP Daga 1. So if you perform any kind of plus operation between string and integer, you need to do this typecasting. Now I'll show you. If there is number 1, 2, 3 plus, I want to add a string, Akshay. It is a string. It is going to throw an error. Then what option we have? We can do the typecasting. We are converting this 1, 2, 3 into a string and then adding. Okay. There is another solution. Instead of doing this, I'll pass this value in single quote. So again, when you pass any value in single quote, it becomes a string. If I do this, again, it is giving me the same output. But if here it is a hard-coded value, but if you are dealing with variable, like what variable, I'll use the variable C. The value in there is AP Daga. But here, no, I'll use a variable, some integer variable, that is A. Okay, it is an integer variable and the value for A is 1. If I do this, okay, it is going to throw an error. Here I can't use single quote. If I use a single quote over here, it is going to consider A as a string. It won't remain any variable as such. So for that I have only one option, that is str of A. So what it will do, whatever is the value of A, it will take that value, then convert that value into a string, and then it will concatenate it with another string. Okay, like this. If I, just like I talked earlier, if I pass this variable A with this another string, and if I write it in a quote, you can see what it took. It took this A as another string. It has nothing to do with earlier variable. Okay, so that's why this str is important. Okay, so this kind of typecasting is necessary here. Now We talked about integer, and float. Similarly, we can do 2.3, 2.4 plus 4.8. Again, you can add two float values, two decimal values using plus. So that is also simple. Integer, float also done. Now let's talk about complex number. So you can do a is an integer plus one complex number, that is nothing but a I think I should follow this. It is easy to talk, right? So what I'll do, I'll uncomment this and I'll comment this line. Okay, and I'll run this. So okay, I'll add one integer and one complex number. So complex number is d, a plus d. Again, it is possible that one is added in the real part. Similarly, we can do float, that is b plus d. So you can add a float value plus complex value, that is also possible. Now let's talk about Boolean. That is very, very important. If I do true plus true, so don't get confused with AND operation, OR operation, and those kind of operation, whatever you have learned in your mathematics. Here, true plus true, many people might think true plus true is true, but that is not correct. Why? Just like I told you, just for the sake of keyword, they have used word true and false here, but internally it is always 1 and 0. True means 1 internally and false means 0 internally. So basically when I write true plus true, what it is doing, 1 plus 1. Okay, so the answer should be 2 and the answer is 2, right? Similarly, if I do true plus false, what it will be? It will be 1. Why? 1 plus 0 is 1. Similarly, what I'll do? True minus false, 1. Why? 1 minus 0 is 1. So it's, if you are confused, I'll show you true plus again true. It is 3 because we are adding 1 3 times, right? Similarly, if I do the true plus some value, no need to do the typecasting. Why? Because true is internally again 1. So it is going to give output as a 6. If I do typecasting here, int, no worries. It will give me the same result. Okay. If I do float as a typecasting here, same. Just the data type is float now. That's why it is giving 6.0, but the answer is same. So that's it. This is how plus operation works differently for different data types. Similarly, minus and multiplication and this kind of operations are also performing differently. We'll watch that in some other videos. So that's it. Hope you like this video. You understood you got some information from this video. So if you understood something, if you got something from this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And that will be encouraging for me. This is Akshay Daga signing off. Thank you very much.